Hi students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about one more very important para. So 5 markers. So this one is symmetrics and skew schematics. This is class is BSc classes. So listen to careful students. So BSc students the class start okay. So let's start about the problems here. Okay. So in the class ಯಾವ problem discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. So this is the expression of matrix bracket 2 3 5 2 this expresses the matrix 2 3 5 8 as the sum of the symmetrics and skew schematics. Okay, so one more you have to understand is here only. Okay, so this is one is matrix here only already in learning about the second PUC. So matrix, skew matrix and symmetric matrix, so diagonal matrix, so like this horizontal matrix, so vertical matrix, so already in learning about in second PUC. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss about only how to symmetrics and skew schematic. Okay, today I'm going to discuss here only. Okay, so first you have to understanding the basic symmetric and skew schematic. Okay, so what is meant by sum? Sum means like this, you have to plus. Okay, what is meant by symmetrics? Symmetric means you have to symmetric matrix means you have to given one matrix. Okay, like this same as it is A. You have to like this 1 2 3 4. You have to like this. Okay, this is one matrix here only. Okay, see this is symmetrics or not symmetrics. Okay, so one we have here only. So this is true cross true matrix. Okay, this is true cross true matrix. This is first row and second row. This is row. This is first row and first column, second column. This you have to column. Okay, this is column. This you have to like this Aij equal to Ajr. This is like this symmetrics. So another you have to understand. So A dash means transpose of matrix. Okay, transpose of matrix. How to return this? This is column. Okay, how to column? This is row. And I will return this column equal to row. This is column equal to row. This is the matrix here to how to written this 2 cross 2 matrix. This is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix. This is 2 cross 1. This is symmetric matrix. So symmetric means you have to equal matrix. Okay. So how to return this equal to matrix? You have to 1 2 equal to. So like this A22 equal to A22. Like this A33 equal to A33 like this. Okay. So 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, like this. Another formula. This is matrix or skew matrix or not here only. Okay, this is first and second row. So 2 cross 1 matrix. Okay, like this. How to return this matrix? 2 cross 1 matrix. Okay, this how to return is M into N. Okay, this M equal to row and N equal to column. Okay, so another one transpose. Transpose is equal to A dash. This is equal to 1 into 2. Okay, this is 1 into 2. This is row. This is column. Okay, so this is a symmetric matrix. No, because you have to. This is 2 cross 1 equal to 1 cross 2. This is a change. This is first you have to row equal to 2. This you have to row to 1. This is not symmetric matrix. Okay, not symmetric matrix. Symmetric means you have to equal matrix. You have to A2. This is like this. A22, A22. So you have to A33, A33 like this. A12 equal to A12 like this. You have to symmetrics. Okay, so one symmetric matrix you have to define as A. This is how to A square matrix. This is like to A square matrix. A B C D. This is how to A square matrix. A square matrix. The A square matrix is a symmetric matrix like this. Aij equal to Aji. This is equal to what? I equal to row. I equal to row. J equal to column. Okay, so I equal to row and J equal to column. This have to Aij equal to Aj. This is called as symmetric matrix. Okay, so you have to understand here only. So this is symmetric matrix. You have to. So one more very important here. I have to one formula only. A equal to A dash. Okay, so sum means sum. What is mean by sum? Sum you have to under adding. So sum you have to this is here only. Sum means A equal to A dash. Okay, this is transfer of matrix. Okay, adding this here only. A plus, you have to A equal to A plus A dash. This is adding. Sum means you have to sum equal to add. Okay. So now how to return this? 1 by 2 A plus A dash. This is how to symmetric formula. Okay. Symmetric matrix formula. Okay. Symmetric formula equal to A equal to 1 by 2 bracket A plus A dash. This is a symmetric formula. So another one more you have to understand is skew symmetric formula. Skew means you have to interchanges. So you have to negative transfers. So I have to negative transfers. Okay. Understanding here only. So listen to careful students. Okay. So then I have to understanding here only. So here only this is skew matrix. Okay. Skew symmetric. Okay. So already in skew symmetric matrix, already in previous class you have to understanding here only. So this have to second piece I will learning about this. So one like this I have to one example here only. So I will take one example. Okay. So one matrix here only. So 3, 2 and 1, 2 like this. Okay. This is how to like this is matrix. Another one is also symmetric matrix. So when transfer changes, so symmetric or not transfer symmetrics or not symmetrics are identify. This you have to is so ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಯಾಕೋ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ನಾವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ A equal to 3 1 2 2 how to like this transfer how to A dash A car dash equal to minus okay so 3 1 2 2 okay so 2 cross 2 matrix this is 2 cross 2 matrix we have to formula here only so formula equal to A minus A dash okay so A minus A dash so 1.5 means half this have to 1 by 2 equal to bracket A minus A dash this have to skew symmetric matrix okay so I will explanation only this is one more problem will explanation the matrix 2 3 5 8 has this is how to 2 cross 2 matrix here only okay 2 cross 2 matrix as the sum of the sum means out adding the symmetrics and skew symmetric okay so like this then get result you have to this one okay so you have to result add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this result ಬರಬೇಕು okay so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು okay students listen to carefully watching to end the videos okay so ಕಡೆ ತನಕ ಏನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ so ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ okay students okay understanding ಈಗ so symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix okay so you have to solve the problem here okay so this is the solution only okay so this how to consider how to one matrix okay how to return this alphabets how to A so equal to 2 3 5 8 this you have to matrix how to return this 2 cross 2 matrix this you have to row this you have to column okay this is first row this is row first row this first row second row okay so column first column and second column okay how to 2 cross 2 matrix okay so how to transfer here only okay so ಯಾವ ತರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನೀವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ okay so listen to careful students okay so you have to identify A dash means you have to transpose okay so this you have to transpose okay transpose means A dash how to return this this is you have to column here only this is row I will return this row so this you have to column here only I will return this row okay so this you have to return this again 2 cross 2 matrix this is like this is what is this is symmetric matrix okay students this is symmetric matrix so symmetric matrix you have to this one symmetric so what is symmetric matrix means you have to adding the original matrix and transpose matrix okay students so you have to this A equal to so how to return this symmetric matrix formula into 1 by 2 A plus A dash okay so what is this here only bracket you have to add in this okay so A plus A dash okay So symmetric formula here only 1 by 2 bracket a plus a dash. So I have to bracket have to adding this a plus a dash. How to this is the result go with a go with a dash go with. I will put here only. Okay. So this is a plus a dash. So what is this? A equal to 2, 3, 5, 8. Then now to plus transpose 2, 5, 3, 8. Okay. So how to adding this here only? So row into row. Okay. So row into row. So 2 plus 2. Okay. So 3 plus 5. Okay. So 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3. 8 plus 8. Okay. So result what we will do? So a plus a dash equal to. So a plus a dash equal to what is 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. There's a 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 8 plus equal to 16. This is how to written this a plus a dash equal to 4, 8 equal to 16. This is how to result. Okay. So this is how to symmetric matrix. Okay. What is skew symmetric matrix? Okay. This is like this atava. Or this is how to formula 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. I will directly return this one. Each directly I can return this put here only. So 4, 8, 16. They have to this one. Okay. So then how to skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So what is skew symmetric matrix here only? So 1 by 2 formula here only. So a minus a dash. Okay. So I will directly put here only. I will find out a and a dash. Okay. I will directly put here only. Okay. So this here only like this. So like this a minus a dash. Okay. So here a dash equal to 2, 3, 5, 8. Then now 2 minus 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay. So row into row. So 2 minus 2, 3 minus 5, 5 minus 3, 8 minus 8. Okay. So result here, what is the result here only? 0 minus 2, 2, 0. This is how to a minus a dash. This is how to a plus a equal to this one a. Or how to put here only? This is direct I can put here only a minus a dash. This is a what is 0 minus 2, 2, 0. This is okay. So what is this for find out here only? Sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. Sum of this how to sum of adding this here only. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. Skew symmetric. Okay. So sum of means you have to symmetric equal to 1 by 2 a plus a dash plus sum means you have to plus adding. So then what it is? Skew symmetric 1 by 2 a minus a dash. This is skew symmetric. So adding this here only 1 by 2. So what is this? 4, 8, 16. Then what? 1 by 2, 0 minus 2, 2, 0. This is, so find out. So 4 by 2 equal to, so 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 8. Then what? So 0 by 0 minus 1, 2 2 ja 1, 0 by 2 0. So adding this here only sum of. So then what? 2 ja 2. So then what? Minus plus this out to 4 minus plus 0, 4 minus 1, 4 plus 1, 8 plus 0. Okay. So then what? So 2 plus 0 equal to 4 minus equal to 3, 5, 8. This is result. Okay. This is previous 2, 3, 5 here. This is 2, 3, 5. Okay. This is matrix. Okay. This is finally matrix. Okay. See this. So what this sum of the symmetric and skew symmetry out. This 1 by 2 A plus A dash is symmetry matrix. So skew symmetry matrix 1 by 2 A minus A dash. This is how to skew symmetry matrix. Okay. You have to this here only. Sum of the here only. So then you have to add in this here only. So first you have to understand given matrix here only. Once again I repeated here only. So this is given matrix. I have to this is 2 cross 2 matrix. I will transpose of matrix here only. So I will transform matrix A dash equal to row into column. I have to exchange of the matrix and rows. Okay, row and columns. Okay, then after this. So symmetry matrix have one more formula here only. 1 by 2 bracket A plus A dash. How this is first how to A and A this is given matrix. Then how to transpose the matrix. This how to add in this here only. Add in this. This is the result here only. This or you have to put here only add this result. Okay. Then how to skew symmetry matrix one more formula here. 1 by 2 bracket A minus A dash. How to first you have to A minus A dash. How to find it here. Then now this result here 0 minus 2 0. This how to out अथवा 1 by 2 bracket 0 minus 2 2 of 0. How to sum of this how to symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. So sum of you have to this here only. So this is formula here. Sum of this is how to sum means how to plus. Okay. This is symmetric and this is like this skew symmetric. This is how to so 2. You have to add in this. You have to 1 by 2. This applying the both. This 4 8 is so 2 1 are 2 2s are. So 2 8s are 4. So 2 4s are 8. Okay. 2 60 are 8. They have to applying the 1 by 2. Have to this 0 by 2 equal to 0. So minus 2 2 to cancel minus 1. So 2 to cancel 1. So 0 by 2 equal to 0. Have to add in this here only. First row and first row. Okay. 2 plus 0 equal to 0. So 4 plus minus out of plus minus or minus 1. Okay. So 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So out to 8 plus 0 equal to 0. So how this have to be done. So out of adding. So already we got this. Sum of symmetric and pseudo-symmetric and this result is here only. Okay. So we have to put it. So we result have the matrix have to skew symmetry this one. So symmetric matrix have to so 2 4 4 8. So symmetric matrix. The skew symmetric and the 0 minus 1 1 0. This is how to identify the symmetric matrix and skew symmetric. Okay. This one is very important for exam annual examinations. So BSc classes. Okay. So hange ee class agite. So understand okay hange. So thank you for watching this video. I will continue the next class. So ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Okay students. So hange ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀನಿ. So BA students ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. hange ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಐತಿ ಸದ್ದ BSc ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ hange ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹೋಪ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಐತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮ್ ಬರ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರಂತ ಈಸಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.